Imagine meeting someone and saying, "He teacher."
Huh?
Sounds wrong in English, but perfectly normal in Indonesian. Today, we're investigating where did it go. English requires am, is, are. Indonesian usually doesn't. Dia guru. Saya dokter. Rumah ini besar. Mereka sibuk. No equivalent of is. Indonesians often connect ideas directly. Subject, description. That's it. Many learners discover adalah and start putting it everywhere. Don't. In everyday conversation, it sounds unnatural. Natural. Saya guru. Formal. Saya adalah guru. Dia cantik. It sounds natural. It's awkward when you say, dia adalah cantik. Think of adalah as a presentation word, not a conversation word. So most learners' common mistake is overusing adalah because they are translating English structure directly. Now let's listen to this mini dialogue.
Kamu mahasiswa?
Ya, saya mahasiswa.
Now let's do a little quiz. Translate. She is happy. The right answer is dia senang. Dia senang. Not dia adalah senang. Very good.
Good.
So, Indonesian usually has no copula. That is the to be in English. Adalah is limited. Simpler sentences sound more natural. In the next video, we will look at plural nouns without an S. How is that possible? If you want to dive deeper into these topics, I invite you to join my conversion between casual and formal course to refine your speaking style, or my Indonesian affixation for professional course for a technical deep dive. All the details and enrollment links are waiting for you in the description. Like, subscribe, and click that bell so you won't miss our next lesson. Thank you for watching.